some canine tracks. See those?
Wow, yep.
And more right there. And you can see marshmallow filling in there, looks like. And a bunch of cookies. So on. That's a big rock.
God damn.
They don't want to mess with a small bear. Oh, I got a much better view of it from here. Yeah, this has just been baited this morning. That bait's pretty dry. So it's the last day of the bear season, and we're here off of U.S. Forest Road near Kentuck Lake, north of Highway 70. It's just on the edge of a wolf caution area where last weekend a hound was killed by wolves in this area. It's the fourth time that there's been an incident between hunting hounds and wolves in Forest County this bear season. And where we're at exactly here is a bear bait site where there's wolf tracks. We assume wolf tracks, large canine tracks in the raked earth that bear hunters use to distinguish whether bears have visited their bear bait. And so that's why we're here, is checking this out, is because this is an active bear bait. It is covered in a way that is inaccessible to most wildlife, even though you could see a lot of the bait inside of there. But this is one of those baits that we believe is actually attracting wolves to this area.